Hi everyone, in this short tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to find your wallet address on KuCoin platform. So now I'm gonna using my iPhone mobile. So first of all, find KuCoin platform, tap on that, skip this and just tap on assets section and you log in into your account. After that, just choose funding account at the very top, and after that you can just scroll down until you find this search icon at the very top right corner. Just tap on that and type in here name of token that you want to deposit, for example USDT, and just tap on search icon, search button, sorry. And after that, just tap on your token. And once you're here, you can see details about your token, and you can also tap on deposit button at the bottom or at the bottom left corner. And right here you can choose network that you want to use for transaction. I'm gonna use Tron network. Choose it, and as you can see, here is I can scan a QR code or I can just copy my address. And that's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about KuCoin platform.